He said he didn't want to go, and then as soon as Kira was getting out there, he said, I want to go. Oh, he finished his first voyage. The whole front of the boat just got soaked. A huge wave just came into the boat. Look at the floor.
Alright, good job. Yeah, good job.
GMTM fam, good morning, welcome to the vlog today. Today is our last day with April and Davey Orgill, the chamois. Our last day to have some fun in the sun, so we're not wasting any time and we're getting started. Did you have fun? Do you want to have more fun? Okay. What's rule number 1?
Have fun.
What's rule number 2?
Don't die.
Be safe. What's rule number 3?
Have more fun.
Don't get wet. Going on the 2? Yeah. Are you going with Kira? Okay, have fun. You know the 3 rules. Have fun, be safe, don't get wet.
Say okay, Dad.
Or do. Have fun, bud. See you in a minute.
Smile so big, okay? Yeah, so we know you're having so much fun. He said he didn't want to go, and then as soon as Kira was getting out there, he said, I want to go. He finished his first voyage. Come here, Jay. Jensen, here, give me your hand, buddy. Was that so fun?
Yeah.
Woo, you're so brave. Was that your favorite?
Yeah, it was my favorite song, Baby Shark.
Yeah, we played Baby Shark. Yeah, because you're so awesome. A huge wave just came into the boat. Look at the floor. There's literally puddles of water. Oh, you can't even see because the camera has so much water in it.
The build is always.
We almost went down.
We're done in the boats. I don't know if we're good, but we're done at least for now. We're gonna come in, have some dinner. That was one of the funnest things I've ever done in my life. Bree, we need a boat. So much fun. And if there's one thing this trip has been good for, it's Jensen taking naps. He's literally slept hours on the boats. The waves just put him right to sleep. Okay, we're gonna go eat. We're all tied up, and Mama's stuck.
Okay, as we near down the end of the trip and many people are still cleaning.
Are you recording? Wait, are you noting this?
Okay, I'm noting this. The MVP trophy is a very serious trophy, so anybody that calls it a joke is immediately disqualified.
Yes!
We can count him out. Last year's was a joke. Why?
Because
We all know who should have won. It was rigged.
Mr. Mata's shopping one
I
last
will
year.
say
Actually,
though,
that's true.
I
No,
have not
2
given
years ago.
D-Mill any credit, but
2 years
today D-Mill's credit is he didn't know there was a toilet brush and he cleaned it with his hand.
That's a lot.
Oh,
That's a lot.
swipe up
So I thought,
Congratulations.
for D-Mill's handshake.
Okay, she missed it. She needed to get that.
Okay, so the key to a successful Lake Powell trip is selflessness. It is hard work. It is
Big red bike trophy.
it is trust. It is trust in the captain. Whatever he says goes. It is ultimate trust. So this year's award goes to the person that gave me the most trust, put their life in my hands, and it goes to Baby J.
Yeah!
He trusted me with the surf. We almost
That's
lost
true.
him, but
Jensen surfed with Uncle Davey, huh?
I just knock him
That
off
was
the
awesome.
And runs out the door.
I will say there was
did anybody else get choked up?
there were some amazing things that happened, but in the end it goes down to trust in the captain. So
He did keep us smiling the whole trip too. He was such a good
but
sport.
thank you all for a great trip and your hard work. 3 cheers for Jay. Hip hip hooray! Hip hip hooray! Hip hooray! All right.
He's so happy.
Whoa, the sun is bright. We're back from our boating adventure, and somebody that's next door brought over a parting gift. She's leaving, and they have this gigantic blow-up unicorn, and it's making the girls' dreams come true. Look how cute it is.
Come on. Get on, get on. Someone hold on.
Where are you guys gonna ride that unicorn to?
We have no idea.
You haven't decided yet?
Yeah, and this is getting in our way.
Hi, Cozy.
Hi.
You think that they would eventually get bored of playing in the water, but literally, they have been out here since the second they woke up this morning or on the boat. This is what they've been doing. I'm not trying to tell a scary story. We're just in our cave to go to sleep.
I love it. This is. I just don't want to wake up and. That would hurt.
Oh, we have had seriously the best time ever. We leave tomorrow, so we might get one more boat ride in, but we might not. But even if we don't get another ride, I feel like we had an epic trip. What do you think?
We definitely ended it on a high with that sunset.
Oh.
It was just gorgeous.
I know when we were out on the sunset, I kept thinking, or out surfing, I kept thinking this is like probably Derek's favorite thing ever. Like it's a sunset, it's summer, we're with our friends, our kids are having a blast. Like, doesn't get much better than that.
I think that's the biggest thing is like all of our friends, these 3 families. I don't know if you can hear me. We have to be quiet because they're all asleep, but all of the kids just have so much fun together, you know, so it makes it fun for the parents too.
The kids are playing hard and they are sleeping hard too. So we're gonna sign off. Thanks for hanging out with us today. Be sure to like and subscribe. We'll see you back here tomorrow. Bye.